Hello everyone, my name is Shailin Beauty Listianisa. Today I will be presenting about simple present tense, one of the most common and useful tenses in English. Okay, let's get started. Slide 1 definition. The simple present tense is a sentence from used to express general fact, habit, or action that happen repeatedly and regularly. It uses the base form of the verb 1 and is divided into verbal sentence use normal verb and nominal sentence which use the verb to be. So basically it's a tense for things that are true or that we do regularly. Slide 2. The simple present tense is used to express something that happened routinely or regularly in the present. The word present means no, simple means not complicated, and tense means the verb from used to show time. So, simple present tense literally means the simple way to talk about what happened now or usually happen. Slide 3. When to use present tense. We use this tense to express fact or general events that are true right now. It's also used in conditional sentence type 0 and type 1 together with the simple future tense. So it's not only for daily activities, it can also show cause and effect situation. Slide 4. There are three main uses of the simple present tense. First, general fact, for things that never change. Example, the earth orbits the sun. Second, habit or routines, for repeat action like I usually ride a motorbike to campus. Third, fixed schedule, for planned times like your class start at 9 a.m. So we can use it for science fact, daily habits, and timetables. Slide 5. We often use time word or adverb of frequency in this tense to show how often something happens. For example, words like always, often, and never make our sentence more specific. But remember, not every simple present sentence needs a time word. Slide 6. Here are some common ones. Always. Example, she always wakes up early. Often, I often read books. Never, he never drinks coffee. This adverb tells how frequently something happens, every time, sometimes, or never at all. Slide 7. Many learners make small mistakes like forgetting the S for he, she, and it. For example, he plays football every day. He plays football every day. Another one is forgetting to use doesn't instead of don't. She don't like tea. She doesn't like tea. So always pay attention to the subject. Slide 8. These are sometimes expressions often used in simple present tense. Usually, always, rarely, sometimes, never, every day, every week, once of week, once of month, and so on. Whenever you see this, you can be sure the sentence is in simple present tense. Slide 9. Characteristic. The simple present tense is easy to recognize. First, if often used adverb of frequency. Second, the best verb 1, and for he, she, it, we add s or es to the verb. For example, I study English, but she studies English. Slide 10. The auxiliary verb we use are do for I, you, they, we, does for he, she, and it. This help make negative sentence and question. Slide 11. Verbal sentence. Let's look at the pattern. Positive. I go to school. She goes to school. Negative. I don't go to school. She doesn't go to school. Interrogative. Do you go to school? Does she go to school? So, do and does are really important helper here. Slide 12. Nominal sentence used to be am, is, or are. For example, I'm a student. I'm not a student. Am I a student? It's simple. We just use to be when there's no main verb in the sentence. Slide 13. We can also make short answer using do or does. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Does he play badminton? Yes, he does. These short answers sound natural and are commonly used in daily conversation. Okay, next example story about everyday habit. My name is Shellen. I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. I brush my teeth and take a shower and have breakfast with my family. This paragraph uses simple present because it describes daily routine, things I do every day. Okay, next, another story is about my friend Sarah. She lives in Jakarta, studies English, and loves to read books and listening to music. This shows how we use simple present to describe someone's habit or fact about their life. Okay, let's look at some example. 1. She goes to school every day. 2. My father doesn't like coffee. 3. Do you play football on weekend? 4. The sun rises in the east. 5. They study English every Monday. Its sentence shows a different use of the simple present tense. Okay, to summarize, 1. It used for habit, fact, and schedule. 2. Use verb 1 and add s or es for he, she, and it. 3. Use do or does for negative and interrogative sentence. 4. Use am is are for nominal sentence. Simple rules but very useful in everyday English. Okay, and the last one, closing motivation. Practice every day and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, grammar is the key, but practice is the door that help you open new opportunities. So keep practicing your English. Okay, thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope it helps you understand the simple present tense better. See you in the next video. Bye bye.